Welcome back to Zeeshan Haq Reviews. In this video, we'll explore the item model group setup in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, focusing on the FIFO, first in, first out costing method. It controls valuation, updates, and financial posting of your stock items. To open item model group, go to Inventory Management, Setup, Inventory, Item Model Groups. Let's open the FIFO model group, which stands for first in, first out. This means the oldest inventory cost is issued first when goods are sold or consumed. Now let's review the costing method and cost recognition section. Stocked product is enabled, meaning this item is treated as an inventory item. Include physical value is unchecked, so inventory value updates only at invoice posting, not at product receipt. The inventory model is set to FIFO. Under ledger integration, both post-physical inventory and post-financial inventory are checked. This ensures the system posts accounting entries both at product receipt and invoice. Accrue liability on product receipt is enabled, meaning the system records GRNI, goods received not invoiced, as a liability when items are received. Post to deferred revenue account on sales delivery is unchecked, as we're not deferring sales revenue in this case. Next, we have the Inventory Policies section, which defines how inventory transactions behave. Under negative inventory, physical negative inventory is disabled, which means we can't physically issue items below zero. Financial negative inventory is enabled, so invoices can still be posted even if stock temporarily goes negative. Under physical update, options like registration, receiving, picking, and deduction requirements control physical movement validations. Under warehouse management, quarantine management is used if items must be inspected before becoming available in inventory. Under reservation, FIFO date controlled ensures inventory is reserved based on oldest available receipts. Backward from ship date reserves materials working backward from the shipment date. Default item sales reservation is set to manual. Additional settings like same batch selection, consolidate requirement, and FFO date-controlled help with batch and expiry-based reservations. Then, under pick criteria, expiration date means the system will pick items based on earliest expiry. The field validate batch expiration on raw material date of production ensures expired lots are blocked during production. The batch disposition code defines whether a batch is approved, quarantined, or blocked by default. In the vendor batch section, enabling purchase registration requires vendor batch information during product registration. Finally, the approved vendor list setting controls vendor validation. Here, it's set to no check, meaning any vendor can be used. The last option, override item production reservation, allows manual control over production reservations. So in summary, this FIFO item model group setup controls costing, posting, and inventory behavior in D365. It ensures accurate financial postings, GRNI accruals, and FIFO-based inventory valuation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zeeshan Haq Reviews for more D365 training videos.